Here, the aim is to optimize the alignment and get a 100 feet straight between the curve. So the best tool to do that is the geometry connector, where you can work on part of the complex from an element to another element. And then, as usual, you must set the free and fixed parameters in the dialog. And obviously here, the length of the line is fixed, and the spiral length and radius must be fixed as well. Here, the trap is that you can't set both begin and end element as free, because it won't find a single solution. There are an infinite solutions here. So one must be fixed. But still you have to get four more free parameters. And here it's the spiral parameter that must be free, even it's fixed because the spiral length and the radius are fixed together. But here we can find a solution. And you can check that we can get more solutions using the same parameters. If I change the length of the beginning element, I can still find a solution using compute. And don't forget to check replace and rules to be able to get manipulators and still one complex.